Greetings, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dorian Stewart and I'm a realtor based in Jamaica. Now today I'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in Ocean Pointe, Hanover. Ocean Pointe is conveniently located only 20 minutes from the nearest airport, which is in Montego Bay, and there's a lot of hotels that surround the area. The community consists of a pool, 24/7 security, children's play area and a tennis court. So it is very comfortable for you to live here and travel to and from work. Or if you're overseas, enjoy the peace of mind being in a secure and great neighborhood. So join me as I explore this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. Comment below what you think.